Hi, good morning. I'm Damian Sacoccio. I live in Washington, D.C. KBR, I've worked in Bethesda for a number of years, and I frequently walked by their retail location and was just admiring and looking for what I thought was good looking kitchens, and so we walked in one day. Well, like with any project, it's a combination of things. In this case, we didn't really need a super high-end, expensive design, but we wanted some help with the design. At the same time, we're not first-time home buyers, and we wanted something that was, pretty high quality. And they hit the sweet spot, I think, of combining design and good taste and quality recommendations with the surfaces and everything. So for us, it all worked. So, I'm not the youngest guy, and I've been through a number of renovations and design builds and architects, and we found KBR to be easy to work with and, friendly, I guess, and understanding. It's as any project you go on to, whether it's a construction or marriage or a renovation, there's going to be some times when you need to sort of talk and work things out, and because not everything is as it appears, and we found them to be pretty flexible and understanding, and then we had hit some bumps with permits, as happens, and you sort of best efforts, and so I thought there was a lot of trust, I guess, on both sides. It's really for my family, right? It's for my wife and the kids. They claim it's like a whole new house. And we thought we'd do it once the kids left, but we sort of pushed ahead because the teenagers had sort of beaten up the old kitchen, and now, it might be as simple as having an island. We used to have a peninsula, and the flow was always sort of stuck, and now it's just super nice to have people mingling around. But there's a bunch of things around it. We could talk about them all, but I think it really came together nicely. You could always spend more money, you could probably spend less, but I think if you just want good people, trustworthy, and again, trust and recommendations, you have to get appliances, you might have to get windows, and they bring it all together and help you figure out those things. So yeah, I'm comfortable recommending them, all right? Well, Fetty is understanding. He keeps a big picture. He knows he wants to keep me happy in the long run, and sometimes that might be giving me something at cost that I didn't expect to pay for. Other times, it's pushing things along. And I think it's a sense of reasonableness that we're in this together. They've been in business a long time, and their reputation is the most important thing for them. And for me, it's my happiness. So, I appreciated that. It made it easier.